Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here, founder of Online Study for You, and 12 plus years of IT industry experience. Friends, there are a lot of queries which is coming with respect to TCS. So I thought to make a video on it so that I can explain you. So what about the remaining result and the offer letter by TCS? Interviewed but result did not come. Got email but did not get the offer letter. Got offer letter but no email. In how many days I will get offer letter? Have multiple offers, what to do? And there are many who are also facing BGC issues, right? Background check issues. So let me talk in detail about each and everything. I have also have some screenshot which is sent by the TCS HR. So TCS HR has responded back on many of the things that also I am going to talk, right? So this is the email which has been sent by TCS to the TPO regarding your survey link and regarding your offer letter. So offer letter will be released in the phase wise. And also friends, the offer letter now also students are receiving. Today is 16th of July 2024. So you can see offer letter is still been sent, so you don't have to worry. One of the students said, sir, I am waiting from 6 to 8 days. I am not getting offer letter. I had said you will get, don't worry. And today is said, sir, just got my offer letter, sir, right? 16th of July 2024, 11:54, right? So all those things we will talk. You don't have to worry. Please understand how the things are connected, and then only you will be able to relate. Okay. Now the first thing, see BGC I will talk once I will be done with all those things. Okay. Now the first thing we will talk is interviewed but result did not come. Okay. Now friends, there will be two scenarios after you will be interviewed, right? So once your interview is done, now there will be two things. Either you will be selected or you will be rejected. Okay. Now, so if you are rejected, okay, then TCS has sent mail to few. Everyone will not be getting the rejection mail. Friends, understand the hiring was huge this year. The hiring was huge. So you might have seen we have lot of results, right? Many of the students have got selected. So TCS has sent mail to many. Many have not received and they are also not going to receive. Okay. So in that case, you have to wait till this month end. Okay. So July end, you have to wait. If you are not able to receive July end, if you are not able to receive the offer letter, that means you are not there, right? So you are rejected. Now, second case, you are selected. When you are selected, right? See, many of you are getting document verification mail. Okay. See, earlier also I had said you document verification mail means they wanted to proceed with your candidature. But again, that does not confirm 100% you are selected. Okay. See, right. Because they have not mentioned anywhere. So see, let's not get into any kind of assumption. Wait for the offer letter. If you are selected, then you will be getting offer letter. See, in many cases, what is happening? Students are not getting email. Okay. So students are not getting email. They are directly getting offer letter in their next step portal. Correct. So you keep checking your next step portal. If you are getting the offer letter, that means you are selected. One of the candidate today whom I talked, right? So you can see here, she has not received any email. Okay. She has only document upload email, but she did not receive that you were selected for this particular role, that particular, no selection mail. But today, when she saw offer letter is generated today at 11:44 am, she asked me, I told, you are selected, go ahead. Now, there is no certification and there is no BGC column is updated. It will be updated in 1, 2, 3 days, but it will definitely happen because offer letter is generated for you. The reason you are selected. Patience is very much required. Somebody will be able to get that offer letter in 1 day. Somebody will be, BGC check and certification. Somebody will be able to get in 1 day. Somebody will be able to get in 3 days. but you will definitely get that. You don't worry about it, right? Many of you might have realized that whatever I'm talking from the beginning, in the same way things happens, right? And people will be definitely can relate with that. Okay, so today I'm not little well. Okay, so I have cold and little bit of fever. So excuse me, my voice also has changed a bit now. So I have answered, interviewed, but result did not came. So what you have to do, you have to wait till this month end, things will be sorted out, don't worry. Now for many of the state, Pune, this thing and that, so it will happen. Okay, one more thing you can see here. So what TCS has told. So dear TPO, greetings for the day. We are rolling out offers for the interview, right? So this is the email which has come from the TCS HR. Okay, TCS HR. So dear TPO, greetings for the day. We are rolling out offers for the interview selected candidates in phased manner. Please cascade the information to the student and ask them to keep all their documents ready and handy with them. Our team will further reach out to them for an initial document verification check, and deadline to share the documents would be tight. Please keep them posted with the information. What you have to do, you have to be ready with all your documents. If you don't get selected in TCS, some other company, right? But please be ready with the document, because they are telling the deadline is very much tight. So you have to send the document in that time. Okay, now next, candidates should be aligned with our eligibility criteria for joining, and document verification and checks may happen multiple times for few students. Ask them to watch out for the mails and check the authenticity before they respond of them. So friends, if any mail comes from TCS, then only you reply, and also keep checking your email. Okay, just a minute. Okay, next, TCS at any stage of our hiring process would never charge any money from the student, nor share the offers directly to them over email, nor has assigned any third party sources for recruitment process. Kindly note that the result will be out in a phased manner, and the student yet to interviewed will have their interviews at planned and schedule. So everything TCS is going to do, you don't have to worry. This was one of the mail which was sent by TCS to the TPO. Now another email which was sent from TCS to the TPO, greetings from the day, greetings for the day, a survey link. So they have sent one survey link from our end and has been rolled out to the selected candidates to upload their educational documents, 10th, 12th, supplementary marks, PC, CMM, that means provisional certificate, okay, and then we have consolidated mark sheet. Okay, if someone does not have their original marks card, a student can submit the web copies, photocopies of the result too. However, they have to get attested by the college TPO principal controller or registrar of the examination only. HOD attestation will not be consideration. A complete completion certificate with month end and year of passing should also be attached in the absence of PCOD, provisional certificate. Okay, and then the end time of the document submission is 17th of July 2024. Please cascade the above information to the candidates. This is not a final background check. There will be multiple level of background checks leading up to the joining. Friends, many of you are telling, sir, I don't have this original document. Okay, college is not able to provide. Okay, in that case, you get the photocopy of that, go to the college TPO, principal or controller. Ask them to please attest it. That means they will sign and they will put a seal on that. That you please send it to TCS. See, that is one thing which you need to understand. And your background check will be happening at multiple stages. So if you don't have something, it's not like TCS is going to reject you. Okay, but to make it like little fast, they are telling that. Okay, so I hope this is clear to all of you. Now let us go back to the same sheet and see what all I have covered here. So interviewed, but result did not come. You have to wait. got email but did not get offer letter, no problem. Okay, so if you have got email and did not get offer letter, you have to wait till when I said July end. Got offer letter but no email, you don't have to worry, proceed with your next step portal. Then in how many days I will get the offer letter? The date is not fixed, it has been sent in the phased manner and you will be able to receive. Have multiple offers, what to do? Friends, see, this is your decision for which company you like. Okay, and if you have got selected for TCS Digital or Prime, and definitely other company will have less package, so go with TCS, right? Now one more thing I wanted to tell you. Suppose you have accepted the offer letter for Accenture, okay, or suppose today you accepted the offer letter for TCS. It does not mean you have to join them. You can leave this offer any point of time. Even this TCS and Accenture can kick you out any point of time before you're joining if there is some problem with your document, if there is some problem with the communication. So till you don't enter inside the company cannot do anything with you. Once you enter inside the company, you get your employee ID, you get your PF, then only the problem happens. Okay, fine. So these things you need to understand it. So you accept it, no problem. 10 offers you accept now, no problem at all. You join one decided company, take your time, talk to people, talk to everyone, then you do. Clear? So don't worry, accept offer letter. Tomorrow if somebody is offering 10 lakhs, I will go. No problem at all. Okay, fine. BGC issues. Friends, background check. What is background check? So that you first understand, because many of you have lot of issues, and also I have seen there are many students who are not serious at all. Okay, so first understand what is BGC. It's a background check. TCS has given to some third party that please initiate his background check. Now because of this background check, suppose if you do not have some document, okay, you uploaded everything, you missed something, okay, or there were some mismatch somewhere, okay, it does not mean TCS will reject you. Okay, please try to understand. BGC means somebody is doing background check. So if there is some mismatch, that person will call you, that person, BGC people will call you, will mail you, this is not correct, by please rectify it and then do it again, then send it again. So this is what BGC is. Okay, so it's not like BGC some mistake, are bhaiya, you are fired, you will not be able to join TCS. No, BGC is in process, it takes around 5 to 6 months. BGC verification they will be doing in 6 months. They will be sending you multiple emails if there is any problem they see. If you are not able to provide the document when BGC they ask you, that time all those things happen. You have a criminal case, right? You are not providing the document, they have the rights, they can terminate you, right? They will ask you, bhaiya, provide me this document. If you can't, then only you will be rejected. So even after you join, your BGC will be continuing, right? BGC goes for 3 to 6 months, right? See, medical certificate, at least use your mind also. This medical certificate, right? So all these documents you can only upload before 15 days of your joining, right? Before 15 days of your joining. Now once you join, few of the document has already verified, few of the documents will be verified in the span of 3 to 6 months. So you are already inside the TCS, you don't have to worry. Okay, so they will coordinate with you, you will have to provide the documents, all those things will be happening, you don't have to worry at all. But now please try to understand, if you are not able to edit, anything in the application form, please send a mail to ILP support and wait. They are not sitting for only for you, they have lakhs of candidates, they have thousands of candidates going to join. Some people will be unnecessary sending email, Sir, I'm not able to log in. Sir, I'm not able to see offer letter. Sir, when my offer letter will come? Think about the person. See, I'm telling you, we get 1,000 messages per day. Is it possible for me to check all the 1,000 messages and reply to you all? No, that is not possible. That's the reason I make videos. Think about them, right? You can send some 3-4 mails, 5 mails, that's fine, but you have to wait. Patience is required. These are done by humans, not by machines. Okay, so I hope that is clear. The next thing, friends, if your Aadhaar card, your 10th certificate, PAN card is not matching, Aadhaar card update is very simple. You please get it updated on Aadhaar card. Everything now runs on Aadhaar card. Understand, right? So your bank account, your PAN card will be linked with your Aadhaar card. Many of the people are messaging, sir, there is some problem with Aadhaar card, Aadhaar card, Aadhaar card. Arey bhai, government has given so good facilities. Go with your Aadhaar card. Okay, I have told in the previous videos, whatever you want to change, get it changed. Okay, it will be done in 10 days. BGC, you have time. Within 120 days, you have to initiate your background verification. Okay, 10 days is very less. Till then, you are talking, asking people, go and get your document corrected. Wherever the mistake is there, get affidavit from court, from notary. Okay, be ready with the document. Now, somebody, sir, my Aadhaar card, my name is Pratik P. In 10th mark sheet, I have Pratik Panwala. Okay. Now, you also should think how the names can be different on different documents, man. That means you are not providing the correct document, right? So, get it corrected, right? Tomorrow, if you take insurance, right, of term insurance of 1 crore, and if you die, you will not get any money, right? So think about that. Today you are not getting job, tomorrow you will not get money. All your documents should be proper. You are an educated person, right? What you will teach to others. So please get it corrected, each and everything, and you have enough time. And somewhere if the name is not proper and all, get the affidavit ready that you are the same person, but your name is here Pratik P, here Pratik Panwala. Just give an example. Okay, so the name is correct, this is the same person. Get it sealed and signature by notary. Be ready. When background check, they will ask you why it is a dot here, there is no dot. That time you have to reply with the affidavit. Okay, for selected candidate, we have made a group, right? And the form link is there in the video description. Get it, right? And if you'll go to our channel, so just keep. Okay, so if you'll go to our channel here, right, and if you'll see, I have made a video on BGC, 50 minutes videos, lot of information is provided here. So latest NSR, okay, criminal is wrong, so this is BGC, right, step by step process. If you have not yet watched, go watch. In that only one form link is there. So go to the form link here. Okay, so here you can see that form link is there. So go to that form link. If you are a selected candidates, fill it. Okay, and there is also a WhatsApp group link here. Join the WhatsApp group so that you will be getting all the information, right? So if you click over here, so this is only for the selected candidates, right? We are trying to help all of you champions. Trust us. We are genuinely providing you all the information. Try to understand, act in that same way. Please don't expect to respond for each and every messages, because you know how much traffic we have. And I really wanted to help you guys. That is the reason in this situation also, I'm making a video for you. Take care, all the very best. We'll meet in the next video soon.